This is GATE 2016 set 2 electrical question number 48. A single phase bidirectional voltage source converter is shown in figure below. All devices are ideal. It is used to charge a battery of 400 volts with power of 5 kilowatts from a source Vs equal to 220 volt RMS 50 Hz sinusoidal AC mains at unity power factor. If the AC side interfacing inductors are 5 millihenry and the switches are operated at 20 kHz, then the phase shift delta between the AC mains voltage and the fundamental AC RMS voltage in degree is being asked. For NPTEL reference, you can refer to lecture number 19, Voltage Source Inverters, of the NPTEL course Power Electronics by Professor G. Bhuvaneshwari, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Delhi. The bidirectional voltage source converters are used for AC to DC or DC to AC power conversions. Now the interfacing inductors given here, XS at the AC side. So if Vs is the supply voltage and the inductor drop across the inductor is J plus JIXS. Now Vs minus JIXS is giving us the value of Vc1, which is the fundamental AC RMS VSC voltage, that is the input voltage, the VSC AC terminals. Now this can be written as, if this is the phase shift angle, tan delta is given by length of this perpendicular IXS divided by Vs. Also the P input equal to P output, so we can write PDC equal to PAC. So now coming to the solution, PDC is given as 5 kilowatts because it is given power of 5 kilowatts is drawn from the source, and this is 220 volt RMS. Now power factor is given as unity, so PDC is 5 kilowatts. Now AC power need to calculate, which is PAC is given by VRMS fundamental into IRMS fundamental into cos theta. Now cos theta is given as unity because unity power factor operation is given. 220 volt is the AC RMS fundamental voltage multiplied by IRMS 1 into 1. This must be equal to PDC, which is equal to 5000 watts because 5 kilowatts. Now IRMS 1 is found out to be 22.72 amperes. Now XS equal to 2 pi Fs into L. Fs is the system frequency, which is the power frequency, 50 Hz given. Now XS value is 2 pi into 50 into inductance is 5 millihenry, which is given in the question. So 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is the impedance or reactance offered by the interfacing inductors. Now we already told that tan delta equal to I into XS, which is I means IRMS 1 into XS divided by Vs. Vs is nothing but fundamental AC RMS voltage, which is VRMS 1, and IRMS 1 is calculated to be 22.72 into XS, which is 2 pi into 50 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. VRMS 1 value is given to be 220 volts, so we can write 220 volts here. So this is 220 volts. So now tan delta is coming out to be 0.162. So delta in degrees is 9.2 degrees. So this is the answer. So the answer that the phase shift delta, this angle is 9.2 degrees.